tour is going to do 2 loops. And he does rolls at the top of his loops to get back into position. There they are. And inbound he comes. He's pulling approximately 6 to 7 G's as he goes up. G's are the gravity force pulling his body down. It's 6 to 7 times his weight. Artur has spent over 14,000 hours in the air. He's a captain of a Boeing 737 for a European commercial airline. Before that, he was a corporate pilot and demonstration pilot for the Cessna Aircraft Company. He's also worked as a flight instructor and a pilot in parachuting operations on Antonov 2s. And inbound from the left with a roll is Artur with the Keon Aerosports L39. The L39 was the very first jet with a turbofan engine. Now this L39 has actually been highly modified. It is much lighter and much faster than the other L39s you might see flying today. It was modified to compete at the Reno International Air Races in Reno, Nevada. We like to call this as a Cold War era trophy, as these aircraft were